talk some grammar mistakes that we done in some that we usually make in the writing part. So today I'm just to discuss. Let's start with first one. The human behavior. We don't say human behavior is incorrect. And the correct one is human behavior. Human behavior without S. Human being, also we can say human behavior, so it's important. And then next one. The main one, we don't say one. Instead of one, we can use different, such as different termination in terms of language. We can use our vocabulary. We can use issue, or issue. So the right pronunciation is issue. So remember the pronunciation issue. And we got also, we can say also the main issue, the main factor, or the main problem is blah blah blah. Next one. What about the third one? Is going to like through the graphs. We don't say through, because through we usually use for more movement. So through, in this case, instead of through across the grass, instead of through, we need to use looking at the graphs, according to the graphs, or analyze. No, wait a minute, I'm just going to read here. Analyzing with inform. And then we can also say the last, by means of. In Italian it's like mediante, tramite, per mezzo di questi grafici. Right. Next one is what? Is, we can say the chart is divided in, we don't say divided in, but we say divided into. It's the correct one. Next one is about the adjectives of impact. We don't say less impacting. We need to find the correct adjectives for impact. So in this case, impact, the adjectives of impact is impactful, less impactful, impactful, last one is use of more and more. It's so colloquial in for your writing part, so we don't use more and more. Instead of more and more, we could say is likely, which are likely, the graph, the trends is likely to increasing. So it's academic, like academic, English, EAP,